That me I tell you every day the man come 5 o'clock a morning, tell you what to do, and the man just go with the boss. You don't know, Raoul?
Huh?
There about 10 plyboard there, so I need you to bring them in, yeah?
Let me tell you something.
Yeah, babe.
I working, you working. That's it. Okay? You no boss. Okay? Tú eres no el jefe. Okay?
Just go for the bumbo cloud thing, them and stop running off your mouth, brother. I'm telling you,
Papi, you have to work. I work. That's it. I'm gonna call Mr. Simpson and tell him that you think you're the boss,
boy,
papi.
boy, complain about everything.
I don't like that. You tell me to do everything. We have to do it together.
Yeah,
man.
put it on that thing. I'll call you back, yeah, babe?
I'm gonna call Mr. Simpson. That's it.
Hey, what's up, guys? Yeah, what's up, bro?
Hello.
Yeah, M&J, delivery over here. I got some concrete, yeah. Deal with him. Guy know everything. Deal with everything.
Come and do something. You say you want to do something. You don't want to do nothing. You don't want to do nothing?
Yeah, man, deal with everything, brother.
This is crazy. What you have here?
Yeah, I got concrete back there, but I can't bring the truck over here because ice is out there.
Oh, ice. Where? Outside in front?
Yo. Where y'all going?
What you mean?
No ice from the snow. It's turned into ice. I can't bring the truck around, so I'm just trying to figure
Papi,
out.
you cannot do that, Papi.
You know, rap them here, bro. What the fuck?
You don't do that, Papi. That's no funny.
No, not that ice from the snow, Papa.
Okay? Eso es muy serio, Papi. I don't do that, okay? I don't laugh,
bro.
okay?
No, I know, but I'm just saying. I'm not talking about ice immigration ice. I'm talking
No
about
me estoy
ice from the
riendo,
snow.
Papi. I tell you something right now. That's no funny, man.
All right,
Crazy.
man. I'm gonna go bring the truck
I
around,
call Mr.
'cause
Simpson, tell him this is no good.